Hello to all my viewers. Let us try to understand how to create storybook in Tableau. For this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. Storybook can be created from 2 points. One, you click on story, new story. And second one is you click here. This one, it's a new storybook from here. Now, we'll go in the sheet one first and generate one chart. And from that, we will start generating the storybook. Okay, let me pick up the region, drop it into the columns, and sales figure in rows. Make it the entire view. Now let me select the segment from here and drop it into the color. Now I'll give the name here. Name is sales figure according to segment and the region. Apply. Keep it in center. Make it italic if you want. You can change the color from also from here and apply. Okay. The next thing which you want to do is you go in this storybook. Story one, sheet one will be created. You can see just over your mouse here, it will display. You drag it and drop it here. Now in this, you can add the caption, sales figure according to region and segment. You can click here also and you can give the name of the storybook. Name is sales figure. Sales of 2020. Let me keep this as 2022 and 2023. Sales figure. Bring it in the center. If you want, you can make it bold. Change the color. Apply. Click OK. So this is the first page of storybook which has been created. Now I want to create the second book. To create the second book, see, sheet one is already there. You will have to generate the another sheet to create the second page of the storybook. Click on it. Now select profit from here and drop it into the rows. From here, select the shipping mode. Then you get entire view. Now select from here the product category. Now give the name to it. Name will be the profit according to ship mode and category. Control A, bring it in the center, color it if you want, click. If you want to change the size of the text, you can change it from here and you can also change the font from here. Apply. Click OK. Now again you go in the storybook. This is your first page. Now click on blank and drag the another sheet into this. Can you see? This is a second page. Now I want to create the third page. How can I create it? Any guesses? Of course. You will have to again create the new worksheet. In this storybook, we have not written the caption. Please write on the caption. This is profit according to ship mode and category, product category. Okay. Click on the new sheet. Now this time I will pick up sales and profit. Drop it here. Activate the scatter plot from here. Pick up product names or the product from here. Or you can also pick up the region. That will be much better. Region, right? Just a minute. Let me pick up the product. Yeah, pick up the product name from here and drop it into the color. So it's a scatter plot which we have got. Now we want to name this. Again, click on it. We'll give the name relationship between profit and sales. according to product. Control A, bring it in center. You can make some changes, activate this, underline if you want, apply. Okay, again click on storybook. Now activate the blank page. On this blank page, drag it and drop it. So write in the caption now. This is relationship between sales and profit according to product. If you feel that I want to insert some additional text, that also is possible. Story, the size of the storybook can be changed from here. Moreover, drag. If you want to add any text here, it can be done. So let us write down sales figure. Sales in lakhs. Click, or sales in crores. Let us keep it that way. Sales in crores. Click OK. That is also possible. Additional text can also be inserted. Now, how we will view this storybook? You can hover your mouse on the first page, 1, 2, 3, or you can activate from here also, presentation mode. Now see, it will give you the view sales figure according to region, second page of the storybook, and the third page of the storybook. So this is a way you can create stories in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Please don't forget to press the like button.